Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to access Uphold's premium features and benefits. Let's get straight into the video. The first step, of course, is to log into your Uphold account. You can do that on the website or you can do that on the mobile app. And once you're logged in, you want to click on the premium or Uphold Plus tab. Next, you want to click on the upgrade to Uphold Plus button to access premium features and benefits. Then you can choose your Uphold subscription plan. That includes a monthly subscription, annual subscription, and you also have custom subscription plan. So you just choose your Uphold subscription plan according to which one it is that you want to get. Next, you want to review your subscription details, including the price plan and including the type of plan that you want, the price, and of course the benefits, and confirm that the information is all accurate. Next up, you can access Uphold's premium features and benefits, including lower fees, higher limits, priority customer support, exclusive market insights, and advanced security features. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to access Uphold's premium features and benefits. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found it useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.